When I first graduated from law school in 2004, my first job right out of law school was for Joryn as an attorney for her. I've been with her for over a decade now, and our relationship professionally has changed. We kind of grew together, I think. So originally, she was really just running the law firm at that point. She wasn't doing, all of her workshops and writing all the books quite yet. And so when I first began working for her, she was my mentor as, the first attorney who I had worked for. And then throughout the years, she really developed a passion for writing and for teaching others, not just only about law, but also about marketing and different aspects of how you can publish and present and do all of these things to market your own practices, because that's something that as lawyers and a lot of professionals, we know how to do to work in our careers and our fields, but we never learn how to market. So she really developed a passion for that, and I continued to work for her and then helped her to build on that passion. I've read all of her books, been to many of her workshops. I've learned a lot from Joryn, and probably one of the biggest things is how to be more assertive with other professionals. When I first began working for her, I was 24 years old. It was my first adult job, my first professional job, and I was very intimidated by other professionals. And throughout the years, she's taught me how to market myself and be able to be confident with other professionals, no matter how long they've been practicing or what their experience is. So one of the big things that I really took away from Joryn's workshops is how you can use writing to market yourself. And I've always kind of excelled at writing, but I didn't realize it was something until I went to Joryn's workshops, and she really she discusses how you can publish, and how that can be a great marketing tool. It brings you more clients, it adds to your credibility. These are things that I never thought of until I attended Joryn's workshops. I not only have the joy of knowing Joryn professionally, that's how we first met, but I also now know her as a good friend. And she is a really genuine person. She is who she appears to be. And so I think that people really connect to her because of that. I know that when people attend her workshops, they love it because they can connect to her and she speaks at their level. And I think that that's a great thing in someone who presents. And she's always there to help. So after the seminars, she's always sending out follow-up emails and making sure that all the attendees are still taking what they learned from the seminar and using it so that they're bettering themselves and continuing to market themselves.